Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome to our hands-on review of the latest Huawei Pura 70. Today, we are diving into Huawei's latest innovations that's making wave in the smartphone market, and let's see what this device can offer. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. In terms of design and build, the Huawei Pura 70 boasts a sleek design with a flat glass at the back and a flat aluminum frame looks similar to iPhone, giving it a premium feel. It's surprisingly light at just 207 grams only and has an IP68 rating for dust and water resistant, ensuring durability. Design-wise, I like it. It comes with different colors, white, black, and pink, but for me, the most outstanding color is the white. For you guys, which color do you prefer? Comment your opinion below. In terms of the display, this device featuring a 6.6-inch LTPO OLED display, the Pura 70 offers vibrant colors and sharp details with a resolution of 1256 by 2760 pixels. The screen's 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience. It supports HDR up to 2500 nits peak brightness and protected with super durable Kunlun glass, which is 100% improved drop resistant compared to its first generation. Moving on with its performance, under the hood, the Pura 70 is powered by the Kirin 9000S, a 7nm chipset with Malion 910 GPU, offering robust performance for multitasking, gaming, and power efficiency. With 256GB of internal storage, coupled with 12GB of RAM, this phone is a powerhouse. On top of it, Huawei has equipped the Pura 70 with a 4900 mAh battery, supporting 66 watts wired, 50 watts wireless charging, and 7.5 watts reverse wireless charging. This means you can expect all the battery life and quick recharging when needed. Now, the camera setup is where the Pura 70 truly shines. It features a triple camera system with a 50MP ultra lightning RYYB main lens, a 12MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 13MP ultra wide lens. The main camera's large sensor and variable aperture promise exceptional photo quality. Now check it out all my shots that I've captured with these three lenses and comment your opinion below if this photo passed with your taste and preferences. One of the most talked about features is the Pura 70's high-speed flash shooting capability that can capture moving objects up to 200 km/h without a blur, which is perfect for capturing moments in stunning clarity. Additionally, the second generation Kunlun glass offers enhanced screen protection. Running on EMUI 14.2 for the global version, the Pura 70 delivers a smooth and intuitive user experience. However, Google services are not pre-installed, but with the help of micro-G services that you can install separately, all the apps required of GMS will now run smoothly. You can also access and download the Google Play in-app gallery. I have a separate tutorial on how to install it and the link shows above. Now the question is, how much this machine? Starting at 2,999 dirhams, the Huawei Pura 70 is positioned as a premium device. But considering its specification and features, it offers good value for the tech-savvy consumer. Now here is my final verdict. The Huawei Pura 70 is a bold step forward for the brand, with a focus on photography and performance. Its hardware capabilities cannot be ignored. If you're looking for a phone that stands out in the camera department, the Pura 70 might be just one for you. Alright, that's all our first look and quick review of the latest Huawei Pura 70. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.